So we're here now at our final part of the tutorial, hopefully. And I've joined this together again just to remind you that I can select this surfaces and explode it, and I have these individual surfaces. And I'm going to select this conical surface, and then I'm going to type in on my command line unroll surface and hit return. It asks me to select curve on the surfaces to unroll. So I'm going to select this curve right here, and you'll see it get a little bit of an extra highlight. It's a little bit subtle. And now if I zoom out, hit return, you'll see that here I have that unrolled surface. And it unrolls the surface, but it also will give me the curve that I selected to use to unroll. Right now, I do not need that curve, and I'm just going to move this using the move command, which is right here. So click move, point to move from, and I move, just choose a point on the object, and then point to move to, and you can see that I have that separate curve. I also want to select the surface, and again, the move command, point to move from. I could choose the center or intersection of lines anywhere. It doesn't really matter for our purposes right now, and move that over. Right now I do not need this line, so I'm just going to select it and click delete. And you just need to go through all of your surfaces and do that. So I'm going to again type in unroll, select the surface. Actually, I want to select this. Oops. Just navigate so you can select the surface you want. Select that surface. Select the curve. I can select either the top or the bottom curve. It doesn't matter for this process. Then click enter, and it's unrolled that curve. And again, I don't need that curve. I'm sorry, this is a surface. This is a curve. I don't need this curve. And I can hit return just to repeat that command again and do that for all of them. If you don't see the surface that you're trying to select, just zoom in a little bit more and select that surface. Select. I just have to do it once more. Hit return, select the surface, and then select the curve, and then hit return. So it's here. You can select the surface, drag that out. Oh, I did it more than once, so I don't need that. I also don't need this curve right now. Again, enter, select surface. I'm just going to show you one other option of things you can do. If you have a really complex piece, there is this option of put a label on it. So if I say labels and I click that, and it will say labels yes. And then again, I have to select the curve to unroll, which is this curve, and hit return. It will show me, it'll add these graphic labels onto the model, just so I have a reference point if I was going to rebuild it. I don't want to do that for this project, so I'm going to undo that and select the again, go back and do that one again. Select the surface, select the curve on the surface. Oh, I have to it will remember your last command. So if I undo this and I hit return, select surface unroll, it remembers the last time I asked to label it. So if I need to turn that off, I have to go to